Certifications are a powerful way to validate your skills and stay competitive. But with so many options out there, where should you focus? To help you, I've curated a list of high-impact certifications from AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM, Snowflake, Databricks, and Adobe. I've also created a campaign page where you will find these certifications, links for more details, and learning resources to help you succeed. Some of you may need to raise a request in the Learning Request Tool, or LRT, before signing up for the exam. Ensure your business justification is clear to help approvers validate your request. If you run into issues, the Ask HR chatbot is your go-to resource. Just mention LRT in your question. Beyond the campaign page, I'm also planning Databricks Day and Snowday in Q2, followed by Data University in Q3 to further support your upskilling journey. But let's be real, certifications don't last forever. On average, 45% of practitioners are not certified or do not hold a valid certification from these key platforms. This puts them at a disadvantage when it comes to project assignments and career growth. And even if your certifications are active today, they can expire tomorrow. The bottom line, you must make a conscious effort to keep your hard-earned certifications active or risk losing them. A strong foundation in Python and SQL is critical. These are the backbone skills for data engineers. If you haven't mastered them yet, it is time to go deeper and aim for advanced level certifications in these areas. Key certifications to elevate your data career this year. Number 1. Snowpro Core. This certification validates your foundational knowledge of Snowflake architecture, data loading, and security best practices. If you work with Snowflake, this is your starting point to showcase expertise and gain credibility in the field. Snowpro Advanced Architect. Take it to the next level with an advanced certification that demonstrates your ability to design and optimize Snowflake solutions for enterprise-scale workloads. This is a must-have for professionals looking to specialize in Snowflake architecture. Next, Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate. If you are working with Apache Spark and Databricks, this certification proves your ability to build and manage data pipelines on the Databricks platform. Is ideal for those new to Databricks but eager to validate their engineering skills. Databricks Certified Data Engineer Professional, a step up from the associate level. This certification tests your ability to implement data engineering best practices at scale. If you work with ETL, Delta Lake, and ML workloads, earning this credential can significantly boost your credibility. IBM Certified Solution Architect Cloud Pak for Data. This certification proves your expertise in designing hybrid cloud and AI-driven data solutions using IBM Cloud Pak for Data. If you are involved in data architecture or solution design, this credential sets you apart. IBM Certified Architect Cloud Pak for Data. Going beyond solution architecture, this certification showcases your ability to implement and optimize Cloud Pak for Data at the enterprise level. If you're working with IBM's data and AI solutions, this is a great way to establish authority in this space. PSEP, Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. Just getting started with Python? This certification validates your understanding of basic Python syntax, control structures, and data types. It's a great first step for anyone looking to break into data engineering. PCAP, Certified Associate in Python Programming. Ready to go beyond the basics? PCAP proves your ability to write and debug complex Python applications, a crucial skill for anyone working in data engineering, analytics, or machine learning. Take charge of your certification journey. Don't wait for epic learning events or a manager's nudge. Take control of your learning today. Search your learning to see what credentials others have earned and tap into Udemy courses and exam preps available there. I did the same when I earned my AWS Certified AI Practitioners certification last year. Be proactive, stay certified, and let's make 2025 the year you elevate your data career. Check out the campaign page and start your certification journey today.